Rock music is synonymous with energy, power, and strength. Nothing beats rock music for creating excitement. That's why we made a list of the 10 best royalty-free rock music tracks for 2022. All the items included on this list are available from Envato Elements, a subscription-based library that gives you access to millions of assets like stock footage, sound effects, video templates, and everything in between to create your project just the way you imagined it. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Upbeat Indie Rock by Pink Zebra. Take your audience through a powerful journey using this track. A male chorus, claps, a prominent bass, and clean drums make this song perfect to create your next high energetic video. Number 9. Challenge Achievement Sport Rock by Alexander Rufire. The electric guitar is the main character in this track, accompanied by synthesized drums that create a powerful atmosphere. This track is perfect for advertising, intros, or any sports video. Number 8. Upbeat Motivational Indie by Pink Zebra. This song is perfect for an explainer, corporate video, or even a travel vlog. It features a clean electric guitar accompanied by a piano and an acoustic guitar in the background. I'm getting Imagine Dragons vibes. Number 7. Stylish Rock by Music Aura. Give your video an energy boost using this track. Its slow tempo and distorted chorus guitar make this song easy to edit to the beat. Perfect for advertising, intros, or sports videos. Number 6. Epic Sport Trailer by Anouk. Turn on the distortion knob and present your content with the strength of a movie trailer. This track features synthesized drums, classic movie trailer percussion, and a distorted guitar with intense string slides. Before moving on to our top 5, don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Number 5. Epic and Powerful Sports Rock by Guitar State. The number 5 spot on our list can suit any sport or energy drink spot. The strong percussion makes for a fast-paced video, and the guitars panned in different directions complete this entertaining track. Number 4. Action Positive Rock by Anouk. With a higher tempo and clean electric guitars, this track is one of the most versatile songs on our list. It fits various purposes like fashion, intros, advertising, and many more. Number 3. Indie Energy Fun Rock by 331. Another track where the guitar takes center stage. This track has simple synthesized percussion surrounded by claps, chorus, and snares, giving this song a brighter sound. Number 2. Stylish Rock Sport Beat by MS Records. Set the hearts of your audience racing using this track. With trap-style drums, an epic guitar duel, and uplifting sound effects, this track is versatile enough to suit a gaming montage, a powerful opener, or promoting the next Super Bowl. Number 1. Epic Rock Trailer by Alex Grohl. With powerful guitars and heavy synthesized drums, this slow-tempo track is perfect to lend an epic atmosphere to your content and excite your audience even before the main event begins. That concludes our list. In the comments below, let us know which tracks you'll use on your future projects. Don't forget to leave us a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. And keep rockin'!